a bag. He had seen a film about Flash Gordon who had to stick his hand into a tree trunk, but it had a scorpion inside. The memory still made him shudder. Gary waited quietly and hoped that if he stayed still and said nothing, Mrs. Jenkins wouldn't notice him. But it didn't work.
Now, young man, pop your hand in the bag and have a good feel around.
Gary's hand had a life of its own. He didn't want to put it into the bag, but in it went. First he felt nothing, but then he felt something round and slippery. Gary knew what it was.
It was an eyeball.